How far now? How you dey? Guys, how is your day going? The setup on the analysis on Xauusd is currently playing out. Good evening. How far now? Guys, our good analysis is currently playing out. You chop yourself as how you take this analysis wey we do on, was it not yesterday morning? Yes, yesterday morning. Now we did this analysis together yesterday morning. I even wan upload the YouTube video sef. I don upload am, but I no know wetin dey do YouTube. We did this analysis together yesterday morning. So how you come take chop yourself? If you no join yesterday morning class, that means say you no dey with us be that. But people wey join yesterday morning class, abeg if you join, let me know. Abeg, which of una join yesterday morning class? Guys, oya tap on your screen. Okay. Before I was trying to use from this week, but when I noticed this first mitigation did not mitigate the point of interest, so I had to use the body of the breaker block, which is very simple. I dey buy from your TP. Now, congratulations in advance now. You fit buy make I ETP, make me sef ETP. So na inside life. Guys, oya tap on your screen. Let's get to 10k likes sharp. And I don upload the class on YouTube sef, but I no know wetin dey happen. I know the thing just slow. E just dey since morning. I think since 7 a.m. I don upload am since 7 a.m. E just dey preparing, and e no comot for 4%. I don delete am, re-upload am. But if I don delete am now, I go try use my phone. I go try upload am from my phone because I was uploading it from my iPad. Omo, nothing do this week. CBN, na you no know wetin e dey do, but today na still Wednesday now. Oh, today na still Tuesday. Tomorrow Wednesday dey there, Thursday, Friday. Tuesday you dey complain say omo this week get as e be. For Tuesday you no dey serious o. When today na only Tuesday. You no dey serious at all. Guys, oya tap on your screen. So how is it going? Yes, now you know dey serious now. Today na Tuesday. You don dey complain. For Tuesday, you dey serious like this. You dey complain on Tuesday. But I still dey game. This one, I no even understand wetin you dey type. Because why will you be complaining on Tuesday? Normally, I should extend my TP to around here, but to play the safe game, no sad story. That's why I just left my TP at the nearest drawn liquidity. If market even want to retrace, but once market, Timmy, explain yourself. I go soon upload the class on YouTube. Let me check. See, I don upload am here. You see am, but the class never upload. Just chill, you go see am. I don't upload them on YouTube already. So if you are here to join my YouTube channel, you should join my YouTube channel. And guys, stay active on my own channel VIP. I go prefer that channel VIP. I want to upload videos where people need for there. That channel VIP. Videos where I go take my time make. So you can just subscribe to it. And that's if you want, not a must. But e dey there on YouTube. I don upload one video for there on confirmation on the VIP. So if you want to watch it, you can just go and like subscribe to it. But if I don upload this class, you go see explanation on how I was able to get this cell setup. If I don upload the class, you go see this cell setup analysis, because we did it together on TikTok live yesterday morning. So how I was able to like get this cell setup. But let's check 4-hour time frame. Now let me tell you what I think about this 4-hour time frame. Honestly, right? Honestly, even though I'm looking for a way to take my take profit, it should be around this point of interest here. It is also on the live. This is where my take profit should be, because if you take note, but now my take profit being here doesn't mean the market might like. I'm thinking the market should start buying from here just to play a safe side. That's why I should be putting my take profit around here. But with what I'm saying currently, I think the market should sell to this zone. That's what I think. But we can't say until the market is giving us our structures. Then if you want to keep joining, we can keep joining the sales, which is using our continuation pattern. But this explanation was there. This one I have here. This one, liquidity sweep, market structure shift, your inducement, which mitigates the breaker block. Then where is your next point of interest? The other block, which I have here, which market is currently running. So without even explaining that one, on 4 hours, you should be able to see it. MK, how far now? MK, you take this sell. Okay, no wahala. It is well. But we don't talk about this sale yesterday live now. Yesterday morning. We don't talk about this thing now. So I believe everyone should have seen it and be prepared to take the sale. Wetin we get for BTC. Wetin I get for BTC. Let me show you what I have on BTC. Now, what I have on BTC is this. But with what I currently see on 3-hour time frame, or with what I currently see on 4-hour time frame, that means I guessed like I'm left out. So this was my bias on BTC. Now if you take a look, we have a 4-hour order block right here. I think that's where the market used to retrace. Now if you take a look now, before market even get to that point of interest, now let me show you something I have on BTC. I knew market was going to like, I mark out this zone. Not even I knew, but that doesn't align with my analysis. I mark out this zone because I knew market was going to buy from here. But with everything I see here, if you check your 15-minute time frame, if you take a look at what we have there, if you take a look, market has been bearish. Then when market gets to this point, rejected from a point of interest, unable to break, then market end up breaking. Now this is your inducement. This is the continuation to the upside. Now since the structure has been completed, I expect market to pull back to the last point of interest, which is this breaker block I have here, for the continuation of the buy. That is what I have on BTC USD. But with the way market is doing, right? Well, let's just see what is still going to happen. So that was my analysis on BTC from this breaker block. Guys, you can see the breaker block, right? Guys, can you see the breaker block? Okay, so that's the breaker block. And on 30-minute time frame, now let's see, on 30-minute time frame, right? Look at what market did here. You see, market mitigate this breaker block, buy to the upside, then came down to clear the inducement within the breaker block. Market still do what? Buy within that breaker block. So this breaker block now might be valid for my buy. You see this reaction I have here, this reaction. Now if market gets to this other block and maybe sell, then this point of interest is still valid for me to buy. The point of interest is still valid for me to buy. BTC is not ranging. No, BTC dey bullish now. BTC is not ranging. BTC dey bullish. Go and check my YouTube. Go and check. Una no dey join class now. It is on YouTube. I don explain this thing. How many times I wan explain am? How many times? Now, if you have, like, for example, now let me give you an example. From this high, this is like, take a look at this. This is your swing high. This is your swing low. Now, what do you expect next from this point? You expect a reversal back into this other block to continue selling. Now the moment market is able to like close the above, that means the structure has been completed, right? A structure has been completed. Now that is it. It's just market completing a swing high or swing low, a swing high or swing low. Now from this swing low to this swing high, now we have your engagement. Now when market move all the way here, then now where is the structure? Now after market break this structure, now a structure has been completed. Now you have another point of interest within this level. So that's it. I don't even explain this thing a lot of times, because you know that's what I use the most. Because when the structure has been completed, you expect market to reverse to the last point of interest in that structure. You need to understand the market structure rules. Like, go and check the last directional bias video, or second to the last. I think I talked about that now. I taught you guys about market structure, which means when a structure has been completed. Currently buying on ETH. You will be saying, now where my take profit dey? Your own entry dey. But this setup is like, for me is good. For good, I miss the sell. But this setup is very easy now. So how did you get to miss this setup? Hello? Oh, wow. Hello, mo ń gbọ́ yín. Màá pè yín padà tí bá ṣe tán sùn. Okay. Kò sí wàhálà. I counter trend BTC. BTC. Make una sha dey careful. You no know say na OG dey counter trend. Well, MK, you be OG sha. But except from counter trending, you have a structure here. Look at this XAUSD, a very simple structure. Market reacting from your 4-hour order block, right? You have a liquidity sweep. Then you have a market structure shift inducement continuation, which is left with order block point of interest for continuation for the sales. So the this thing dey easy now. The gold sell dey easy unless you are not checking your 4-hour time frame. Look at it. Make I zoom am make una see am. Market reacting from a point of rejection, the shift in structure, pullback, mitigate this breaker block. Continuation, the market swept this high, came back to the other block to sell. So this one even dey simple and dey safe. Now if you take loss from this trade, you go know say you still follow your plan because there's nothing you can tell me. This is a plus setup. The market giving you structures from 4-hour. Don't you know 30 minutes is going to respect it? If market is giving you structures from 4-hour, 30 minutes is also going to respect it now because the structure is coming from your higher time frame, which is your 4-hour structure. Why would I take a trade from 4-hour structure? I took the trade from 30 minutes now. Where I go take only if the point of interest is not too big. But the setup is from 30 minutes. That 4-hour go far now. If I want mark 4-hour point of interest now, I would have marked all this zone to maybe somewhere here. Far. So when I know I have no point of interest at this zone, so why would I have to cover everything here? This is only my breaker block. Then just cover my breaker block and wait for the rest. Guys, make una join my YouTube. Make una subscribe to my YouTube channel. This VIP channel. I just create a new channel on YouTube, like VIP channel. What is it called? So you can just do monthly subscription. It did there. But I don't upload one video on confirmation on that YouTube channel. MZ the Great, this guy don join like 682 times. They go now. They go now. They no force you. I be waiting they find up and down. So how is your week going, guys? How is your week going? And now the guy just dey left, dey join, dey left, dey join. Who send am? Make e stay one place, make e dey go. Shey na by force to join? Guys, tap on your screen. We still dey 3.4k likes now. We dey 3.4k likes. Let's get to 10k likes. We still dey 3.4k likes. Okay. So network go make person dey comot dey join. Well, that's true, sha. Abeg, who don take over 4 trades this week? Because today na Tuesday. If we check now, I go see person wey don take like 4 setup. Abeg, who don take like 4 trades this week? Abeg, who are you? Abeg, signify. Who don take up to 4 trades this week? Guys, oya tap on your screen. We still dey 3.7k. Guys, oya tap on your screen. Abeg, who don take up to like four trades this week? Guys, oya share the live, share the live. Let's keep it going. So maybe I can still talk about one or two things. Okay, MK, that's good now. That's good. Now wetin I wan dey see be that. When you no be scalper, omo TP for wetin no far, wetin no good. Omo my TP far, wetin no good. Congratulations to you, Moscow. Na today I open MT5. Hey, yeah, 4 na less. Miles, how many trades you don take? E dey reject from 40, 15 and 40 minutes. Na because of this way, the way I dey do this live, na why person no fit request. I no know wetin dey do una trader. Why do you always expect a market to just keep selling? E no dey possible now. Even if the market sell, there should be a retracement, continuation, retracement, continuation. That's the way market move. If market don dey reject from any point of interest like this, una go come dey panic. If market dey reject like this, una go come dey panic. Why can't you follow the higher time frame? Shey because market dey reject, that means say the market go stop you out? Omo, you see, Dima, I no even wan dey hear this kind. Abeg, dey adjust your SL. I no know why una go just think say make market just mitigate una point of interest, then start to dey go. There should always be a retracement now. No be 4 hour be this. You see structures from 4 hour. You should even be confident, like, okay, at least the market will still get to this point before anything. Because the market, you can see the market structure shift from 4 hour. What else do you need? Shey na until the structure shift form on monthly. If e even form on monthly, una go still doubt am say this market dey reject. No be so traders dey o. No be say you go just dey run from one place to another. Okay, as the market dey reject from there, you wan counter 4 hour come start to dey buy abi? Oya try am now. Because market dey reject on 30 minutes now, you wan counter the trend, start to dey buy. Oya buy first. I don teach una this thing, say market is also going to expect some point of interest to like retrace, get to a point, retrace. That is how market move. You can't just expect market to keep dipping. E no dey possible. So that is why we are a trader. Na why I dey look trade be this, because e get as your body go dey do you. You go control your urge now, your urge of closing that position, because if you dey draw down, then you are going to wait. I notice something about traders, right? Their patience only kick on when they are in drawdown, but once they are in profit, maybe 1:2, 3, omo, they go just dey like, they no go calm down again until they close. Now after they close that setup, right, it can take them another, maybe after 3 losses, before they see another running trade. Now if they don see another running trade, 1:1, 1:2, their body don dey shake again. Now if it take them another 5, after 5 losses like this, before they see another running trade. So if una just dey shake, if you join the sell, they go use you do liquidity. No mind them, any small move, they don add position. If una dey draw down now, una go just dey like, una go dey hope. You go see traders hoping when they are in drawdown. you will see them open, waiting patiently, like, okay, this market go still go my way, e go still go my way, e go still go my way, even though dem dey do rubbish o. But wait till they are in a running market, like the one they analysed very well and everything is perfect. Now wait for the market after 1:2, they go come start to dey panic. Bro, just dey think am say this position na still draw down. Just dey think am anytime, just dey reason am say the position wey you dey na still draw down until the market get to your take profit, na still draw down. Make I check whether I fit join trade 5 minutes. Oya, go check now. But with what I'm seeing here, if you want to join the sell, it should be, wait, if you want to join the sell, it should be from, let me just put this one here. If you want to join the sell, it should be from this breaker block, because if you take a look at that breaker block now, if we take a look at that breaker block, we have a what? We have a double break of structure here. And take a look at the inducement. Now this is 5 minute time frame. Take a look. The inducement mitigates this point of interest I have here, which is that breaker block. Now where is your next point of interest? Where is your next point of interest? The next breaker block. So that's where you can join the sell. But to be in a safe zone, now let's go to be in a safe zone. Right? To be in a safe zone, if you wan come join the sell wey be say you no get position wey you dey look after before, you can just like use this other block I have here. You see this sell order block I have here, but your stop loss go long. But I'm not sure if market is going to mitigate everything, but you should just know like your stop loss is going to be long, and if we don comot for market, you go still dey market, but your stop loss go long because this other block long, and you are not using this black candle, you are using the old bullish candle. Now if market just get to the zone, then you can wait and look for the way you can get into the zone. But if you don get position before and maybe market dey reject, now that is where I'm going to add my own position. But how you go take know if market don change from bearish to bullish? If market change structure now, or if market hit my point of reversal. Now for example, take a look, what do we have here? Now we have market giving us highs, lows, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. Now when this market get to this higher high, this is a point of reversal, this is a point of rejection. Then in that zone, market give us a liquidity sweep and a market structure shift. Then market give us what? Inducement. Then what? Continuation to the downside, and market did what? Clear out the inducement and mitigate the point of interest, which is the other block. Now that is how you can see your rejection. If the market is also downtrend and uptrend and you want to change to downtrend, that's the same thing you can do. Guys, oya, tap on your screen. Let's get to 10k likes. If you are here to follow me, and guys, join my YouTube channel, my Telegram channel, and X. Stay active on that YouTube. And guys, abeg dey turn on notification. If you don join, just turn on notification, so anytime I just drop videos or anything, or maybe I'm on live, you can see it. Just turn on notification for all my channels. Oh, OBJ, you don't understand. OBJ, now do you understand? Guys, oya, tap on your screen. Abeg, if you know the test, abeg tap on your screen. I'm going to upload the class on YouTube, so don't worry. Don't let me go back again. I'm going to upload the class on YouTube. So Bami, you are going to watch it later. I'm going to upload the class on YouTube. So if you want to watch it later, then it is going to be easier for you. Please, the place you expect market to come to. Why didn't you pick the first order block? Where? Oh, which time frame? Rako, which time frame? 4 hours. Okay, which other block you dey talk about? Which one? Okay, you mean why didn't I mark the whole other block? Why didn't I mark the whole other block? Okay, this zone. Okay, this one. Okay, what's wrong with this? Okay, what do you mean? Okay, now Oyarako, ask your question. What's your question? Hmm. You see why I won't consider this small black handle? It is still within this other block now. So this small black handle is still within this other block. But let me tell you something. Now let me tell you the psychology part of marking out this zone. Now, if you mark out this zone let me tell you something. If you mark out this zone and market do something like this, and market reject to this zone before giving you like a retracement, psychologically you will think the market is now bearish. You will think the market is still bearish, which means market is only trying to mitigate this other block, the whole other block I have here. So that is why I don't mark zones like this. I prefer to mark the point of interest. You see, this other block here and this zone now, they are still within, it is still within the other block, but you can't mark it this way now. It doesn't make sense like that. It doesn't make sense. Now if market just come down here, markets can still get to this zone before market starts rejecting. So that's it. Marking that zone is not a safe way to mark your point of interest. Let me show you this point of interest I marked out. This point of interest on, was it 30 minutes? I think it was 15 minutes. It is not the same thing. Now Rako, take a look. You can see for this point of interest, like I said yesterday, you see this breaker block and this other block, they are within this zone. Now psychologically, the market did not mitigate this other block. The market only mitigates the breaker block. And where is the breaker block? Yeah, that's the breaker block. But since the other block and the breaker block are in the same zone, so most of the time I prefer to use the other block. Do you understand? I prefer to use the other block because they are within the same zone now. They are within the same zone. So most of the time I prefer to use or if other block and breaker block are within the same zone, I prefer to use the other block. Guys, tap on your screen. Share the live, tap on your screen. No problem, you are welcome. Share the live and tap on your screen. If you are new here, you should follow me and turn on your notification. So guys, tap on your screen. So let's wait and see how this market is going to end up. Davis, how far now? na everyday una go dey learn now. It is from 5 minute time frame, Joe. It is from 5 minutes. It is a breaker block. It is a breaker block from the 5 minute time frame. Take a look at the breaker block. We had a double break of structural and inducement, and where is your next point of interest? The breaker. So it is a breaker block from the 5 minutes. Though I am in the same trade, but I can't really say reason why. But I know it's OB. I don't even understand it. Guys, so yeah, let's get to 10k likes now. Let's get to 10k likes. Some of my likes they dull. Oh. Let's get to 10k likes. Now 10k likes come hard reach this one. Guys, you can see the YouTube. You can see this YouTube. You see, since morning, no, since morning where I don't, but I go delete them, sha. I go delete them. Guys, see the setup. You see, this was the before, sha. Now I don't give una this setup before the market even play out. So go and check it. I go re-upload them. I go use my phone this time. If I want to upload them now, I go use my phone. Members only. And what I am saying, I can't really explain for the traders. You explain now. I understand. Okay. Bami, no problem. But normal, I don't do this analysis since yesterday morning now. I don't do the analysis since yesterday morning. So you can just like if I don't upload them, sha, you go see them on YouTube. So you can still watch it later. You can still rewatch it because I don't do the analysis since yesterday morning. Oh yeah, how is your day going? Oh, what's good? How far now? Benex, you are welcome. Just join my Telegram channel, my X, and my YouTube, and watch the directional bias on YouTube so you can. Hello? Mo ń dúró dè yín. Okay. So Benex, you are welcome. Just join my YouTube, my Telegram, my Twitter, and make sure you turn on notification. And please go on YouTube. Go on YouTube, watch the directional bias video I have there so you can understand our rules and regulation here. And always join my live class, that one dey very important. Always join so you won't miss anything out, because sometimes I might not upload the video on YouTube, right? Then always like join, always participate, always comment so I go notice you. So if you ask question, I no go use eye comot you, because I go know say yes, you dey here with us. But I still, if on that Telegram I dey post once in a while now. If I have like a plan, or maybe a setup I want to do, like a follow up, go and check the other post, the trades wey I don drop on Telegram. Go and check it, all the directional bias I dey post now. But I no fit, shey I wan kill myself, post on X, post on Telegram, YouTube, TikTok live. Wetin happen when I no be con ten t creator? That Timmy, I have my bro here. Okay, MK, who is your bro? Babe, ìjọba mi ṣí gate, mechanic ti wà lẹ́nu gate. Kò mú kí mọ́tò dání, ó dà ń kó wà ń tà. Kò sọ pé kó máa change ẹ̀ lọ, mò ń bọ̀. Kò dúró tì wọ́n. Hello, mo ti ń bọ̀. MK, I dey hear you now. Okay, I will soon go offline, right? I have some things to do. I will. Okay. Since na you give am, sha dey put am through now, and dey tell am make e first go watch the videos wey dey there. Just put him through and let him watch the videos, and he should join the class regularly. He should ask question when he needs to ask. But since na from MK, I cite you. Yeah. But I'm going offline soon, right? I've been on this live for 45 minutes, so I have to do one or two things. Have a wonderful day. Miles, I dey see you now. I dey see everybody now. I dey see everybody. So have a wonderful day. See you all later. I might come on live tonight, but not really sure. I might. Mr. Ev, you are just joining. You are late. Mr. Ev, you are late. Okay. No problem then, no problem. Okay guys, have a wonderful day. Guys, check out the YouTube class. Oh, check out the video on YouTube, sha. Have a wonderful day. Bye.